In this video, we will be discussing how to navigate your online portal. First, you'll just need to log in. You'll automatically be taken to your community page, and from here you can navigate through your portal. In the top right-hand corner, you're able to switch between your professional view and your personal view, and you're also able to find your account settings and your club account information. Under your account settings, you'll find options for you to change things such as your language and your location, your email and your password, or even your personal privacy settings. Now we head over to your club account information. Here you can find info on your bookings, your last visits, or even your payments. To get back to your community page, select your logo in the top section. On the left-hand side of your portal, you'll find the menu. This allows you to navigate through your Virtuagym portal. Here you'll find all modules depending on your packages. At the top, you'll find the most commonly used modules. Under Management, you'll find the options related to the administration for your members. Under Coach, you'll find all modules related to the coaching of your members. And then under Engage, you'll find modules related to the motivation and communication of your clients. Down the bottom with the little cogwheel, you'll find your system settings. And in the following videos, we will go further into these specific modules and how to use it. At the bottom right-hand side, you'll find the orange bubble. This will lead you to your academy, which will help you through the first steps of setting up your portal. But also in the help desk, you'll find a list of articles and videos that will be able to answer your questions. Over here, you'll find the chat function with our support department. To start a new conversation, select this option here, and you'll be taken to one of our available support agents.